Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about particular nature of matter and properties of matter. Okay. In previous lecture we have discussed about solids, liquids and gases. Okay. There are three states of matter. Okay. Solids, liquids and gases, and about these three states of matter we have discussed in previous lecture. Okay. So we know that while heating to the solid, okay, solid gets converted into liquid. Okay, solid gets converted into liquid on heating, and when we add heat in liquid, liquid gets converted into gas. Okay, liquid gets converted into gas. So this is the transformation of state of matter. Okay, transformation of states of matter. So heat addition in solid, heat addition in solid gets converted into liquid. Okay, and this process is called as melting. We know that this process is called as melting. Okay, and by addition of heat into the liquid, by addition of heat into the liquid, liquid gets converted into gas, and this process is called as evaporation. Okay, evaporation. तर मेल्टिंगला आपण काय म्हणतो, वितळणे. ओके, वितळणे. आणि इव्हॅपोरेशनला आपण काय म्हणतो, बाष्पीभवन. ठीक आहे. तर या दोन प्रोसेसेस लक्षात ठेवा, ज्याच्यामध्ये सॉलिडचं लिक्विडमध्ये ज्यावेळेस कन्वर्जन होतं त्याला आपण मेल्टिंग म्हणतो, आणि ज्यावेळेस लिक्विड स्टेट ऑफ मॅटरचं गॅस स्टेट ऑफ मॅटरमध्ये कन्वर्जन होईल त्याला आपण म्हणतो इव्हॅपोरेशन. ओके. रिव्हर्स, ज्यावेळेस gas state is converted into liquid state, and this is due to rejection of heat. Okay, this is due to rejection of heat, rejection of heat, and this process is called as condensation. Okay, आणि या प्रोसेसला आपण काय म्हणतो, कंडेन्सेशन, किंवा मराठीमध्ये त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, संगणन. संगणन. ओके. आणि त्यानंतर जी प्रोसेस आहे त्यामध्ये काय असेल, लिक्विड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू सॉलिड. ओके, अँड दिस इज ऑल्सो बाय रिजेक्शन ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम लिक्विड. ओके, बाय रिजेक्शन ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम लिक्विड, liquid gets converted into solid, and that process is called as rejection of heat from liquid, liquid gets converted into solid, आणि या प्रोसेसचं नाव काय असतं, फ्रीजिंग. ओके, फ्रीजिंग किंवा सॉलिडिफिकेशन. ओके, सॉलिडिफिकेशन म्हणजे या प्रोसेसेस तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा, मेल्टिंग, इव्हॅपोरेशन, कंडेन्सेशन, फ्रीजिंग किंवा सॉलिडिफिकेशन. ओके. कधी कधी काय होतं, सम सबस्टन्सेस डायरेक्टली बाय हिटिंग देम they directly converted from solid state to gaseous state. Okay, like camphor. Okay, and that process is called as sublimation. Okay, that process is called as sublimation. So likewise there are the process. Take one example and how the conversion of state of matter that will we discuss in detail. Okay, so take the example of water. Okay, water. So water which is in liquid condition. Okay, suppose this is in liquid condition. Okay, liquid state. So this water, that is the H2O, if we cool this water, it will become ice. Okay, cool means what? When we reject heat from water, the water gets converted into ice. That is called as freezing process. Okay, freezing. Okay, in a refrigerator we put water to make ice cubes. Okay, that is when the heat from the water is rejected, that water is converted into ice cubes. Okay, that is freezing. फ्रीजिंग. ओके, सो यहाँ या या ठिकाणी पहा, वॉटर फ्रीजिंग मध्ये काय असेल, वॉटर वॉटर विच इज इन लिक्विड स्टेट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू आईस. ओके, त्या ठिकाणी पहा, वेन नाउ वी हॅव आईस हिअर. ओके, बाय addition of heat into the ice, that ice gets converted into water. Ice gets converted into water. For example, when we put a big ice cube in the atmosphere, okay, in the sunlight, after some time that ice gets melted. Okay, after some time तो आईस काय होऊन जातो, वितळून जातो, आणि त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो, मेल्टिंग. ओके, from that ice we get water. Okay, and when we add heat into that water gets converted into steam. Okay, so what is the evaporation? In evaporation, water gets converted into steam. Okay, water gets converted into steam. That is the evaporation. Okay, so we know that many times when we boil water on a gas burner, okay, that water gets converted into steam, and this steam is in the gaseous state. Okay, gaseous state of matter. Okay, then when we cover this boiling water pot with a plate, okay, then we can see small tiny water droplets, okay, which are stick on the plate, and that are nothing but water droplets, and these are created due to the condensation. Okay, so in condensation, steam gets converted into water. Okay, that is gaseous state is converted into liquid state. That is the condensation. So likewise, there are changes in state of matter due to the addition of heat or rejection of heat. Okay, two things are responsible for change of matter. Okay, change of state of matter. Two things are responsible. By addition of heat, we can change the state of matter, or either by uh, by rejection of heat from the uh, matter, we can change the state of matter. Okay, so these two things are responsible. Remember these two things. All these we have discussed in previous lecture. Now in this lecture we have to discuss what is the particulate nature of matter and properties of matter. Okay, so let us see. Before that, if you not have this diagram, then please draw this diagram. Now let us see. particulate, the particulate nature of matter, the particulate, the particulate nature of matter, the particulate nature of matter, the particulate nature of matter, and properties of matter, and properties, and properties, and properties of matter. Okay, so let us see in this, let us see one activity. Okay, activity. From this activity we can understand this concept in very well manner. Okay, let's try this. Take a piece of chalk, take a piece of chalk, piece of chalk, and take a piece of chalk and keep on dividing it into smaller, keep on dividing, keep on dividing, keep on dividing it into smaller pieces, dividing it into smaller pieces, smaller pieces. Keep on dividing it into smaller pieces. What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? तर आपण काय केले या ठिकाणी एक चॉक पीस घेतलेला आहे. ठीक आहे, चॉक पीस आपल्याला माहित आहे, व्हाईट इन विच इज व्हाईट इन कलर. ओके, अँड आपण त्याला काय केले की छोटे छोटे त्याचे आपण डिवाइड तुकडे करत गेलोय, म्हणजे त्याला आपण डिवाइड करत गेलोय स्मॉलर स्मॉलर पीसेस मध्ये. तर शेवटी काय होईल, खूप छोटे 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 त्याचे पार्टिकल्स तयार होतील. ठीक आहे. when we rub this chalk piece on a rough wall, then we can see small particles of chalk piece are there. Okay, small particles. Chalk piece is made up of small particles. Okay, then second is wipe a drop of ink, wipe, wipe a drop of ink, wipe a drop of ink, wipe a drop of ink with a handkerchief, with a handkerchief, wipe a drop of ink with a handkerchief. What effect does it have? 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 Does it have on the cloth of the handkerchief? On the cloth, on the cloth of the handkerchief. Handkerchief. So let us see, when we wipe a drop of ink, we have to wipe a drop of ink with a handkerchief. Okay, what effect does it have on the cloth of the handkerchief? तर आपला जो रुमाल असतो त्या रुमालने आपण एक शाईचा, ब्ल्यू कलरची शाई आहे सपोज, तर त्या शाईचा जी ड्रॉप आहे आपण त्याला वाईप केले हँकरचीफच्या सहाय्याने. तर असं विचारले या ठिकाणी की जो हँकरचीफचा, जो रुमालाचा जो क्लॉथ आहे तर त्याच्यावरती काय इफेक्ट होईल, काय परिणाम होईल. ठीक आहे. सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन डिटेल आफ्टर that. Okay, after that third question, what happens when the lid, what happens when the lead, what happens when the lead, what happens when the lid of a bottle of perfume, lid of a bottle of perfume, bottle of perfume, bottle of perfume is opened, is opened. तर या ठिकाणी थर्ड क्वेश्चन काय पहा, तर ज्यावेळेस आपण एखादी परफ्यूमची बॉटल आहे त्याचं आपण टोपन किंवा त्याचं जे लीड आहे ते ओपन केलं, ठीक आहे, तर काय होईल, ओके, व्हॉट विल हॅपन. त्या ठिकाणी या सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे आपण पाहूयात. इट इज द मॅटर प्रेझेंट इन व्हेरियस थिंग्स इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गॅसियस स्टेट्स. So let us see. It is the matter. It is the matter. It is the matter present in various things. Present in various things. Present in various things. In solid. In solid, liquid, in solid, liquid or gaseous states, that is, or gaseous states that is responsible, that is responsible, that is responsible for their properties, that is responsible for their properties. Okay, so let us see what is the meaning. So in case of chalk piece, the particles from which chalk piece is made, तर जे पार्टिकल्स असतात छोटे छोटे ते कसे असतात, सॉलिड स्टेट मध्ये असतात आणि त्या पार्टिकल्स पासून काय बनलेलं असतं, चॉक पीस. ओके, सो दीज पार्टिकल्स आर इन सॉलिड स्टेट. इन केस ऑफ ink, okay, drop of ink, okay, which is in liquid condition, when we wipe this drop of ink with handkerchief, okay, so that the ink spread on the cloth of the handkerchief, okay, and that is in liquid condition. In case of perfume bottle, okay, when we open the lid of a bottle of a perfume, then this perfume, uh, these this matter is present in gaseous state, okay, and that's why we can smell the smell the perfume, okay, and this is in gaseous state, that's why it's spread in a room, okay. So the matter present in these various things, that is in chalk piece, then in drop of ink, and in a perfume bottle, is in solid, liquid and gaseous states, okay, and that is responsible for their properties, even though they are divided into small particles, even though they are divided, even though they are divided into small particles, into small particles, into small particles, small particles, their properties, due to the matter present in them, their properties, their properties, due to the due to the matter present in them, due to the matter, due to the matter present in them, present in them remains same. Okay, remains same. So let us see, friends, when we divide a chalk piece in smaller particles, okay, then each particle of the chalk piece will have the same property than that of the chalk piece, okay, because the color of particle of chalk piece will be the same as the color of chalk piece, okay. So that's why their properties remain same, okay. The properties such as, first of all, write down these things, then we will discuss other things here. Let us see. So let us see. Their properties remain same, okay. For example, the properties such as the white color of a chalk, the properties such as such as a white color of a chalk, white color of a chalk remains white, okay. And the particles, okay, on dividing a chalk of white color, okay, the blue color of ink, then the blue color of ink, the blue color, the blue color of ink. तर इंकचा पण कलर कसा राहणार आहे, जरी आपण त्याला वाईप केलं तरी पण त्याचा कलर कसा असणार आहे, ब्ल्यूच राहणार आहे, ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर द फ्रॅग्रन्स ऑफ ए परफ्यूम, द द फ्रॅग्रन्स, द फ्रॅग्रन्स of a perfume are the properties of a perfume are the properties are the properties are the properties of the matter of which of the matter of which each of them is made, of which each of them is made. तर या ठिकाणी हे जे प्रॉपर्टीज असणार, दॅट इज व्हाईट कलर ऑफ चॉक, देन ब्ल्यू कलर ऑफ इंक and fragrance of perfume are the properties of the matter of which each of them is made. Okay. तर या ठिकाणी आपण पाहिलं की जरी आपण एखाद्या मॅटरला आपण डिवाइड केलं, ओके, मॅटरला डिवाइड केलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे पार्टिकल्स असतील, म्हणजे ज्या पार्टिकल्सने मॅटर बनलेलं आहे, तर त्या पार्टिकल्सचे पण प्रॉपर्टीज जे असतील ते सारख्याच असतील, जे पूर्ण मॅटरच्या प्रॉपर्टीज असतील, किंवा जे पूर्ण सबस्टन्सची जी प्रॉपर्टी असणार आहे तीच प्रॉपर्टी कोण शो करतो, द पार्टिकल्स, ओके. त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो पर्टिक्युलेट नेचर ऑफ मॅटर. ओके. तर hope you understand these things in very well manner. Okay. Then we will discuss other things. Okay. Let us see. Use your brain power. Use your brain power. Let us see. Use your brain power. Use your brain power. Okay. So here, in first one is in day-to-day life we come across many things. Okay. In day-to-day life, in day-to-day life we come across, we come across many things. Yes. Okay. तर पहा, डे टू डे लाईफ मध्ये आपण वेगवेगळ्या वस्तू वापरतो किंवा वेगवेगळ्या वस्तू आपण पाहतो. ठीक आहे. इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स, इन आवर surroundings, in our surroundings. Okay. In our surroundings we touch them, we study their properties. तर आपण त्यांना टच करतो, आपण त्यांच्या प्रॉपर्टीजचा अभ्यास करतो. ओके. ओके. we touch them, we touch them, we touch them, we study their properties, we study their properties, we study their properties, we study their properties. All these things made from, are all these things made from, are all these things made from only one kind of matter, made from only one kind of matter, only one kind of matter, or from more than one kind of matter, or from more than one kind of matter, or from more than one kind of matter. Okay. So let us see. We see in daily, we see many things. Okay. And that is wall, concrete, table, chair, fan, steam, smoke, air. Okay. Trees. Many things we see in our daily life. And is all these things are made from only one kind of matter or more than one kind of matter? So answer is these things, some things are made from only one kind of matter and some things are made from more than one kind of matter. Okay. For example, you can see when you take the example of chalk piece, this chalk is made from only one kind of matter. Even we divide this chalk into smaller particles are having same color and their properties are similar to the chalk. Okay. So that's why we can say that the chalk piece is made from same kind of material or matter. But there are other things also, like you can take the example of smoke. Okay. Smoke. In smoke there are different gases are there, okay, and smoke is the mixture of different gases, okay, and that's why uh, it is not made from a one kind of matter, okay. So likewise we can see many examples, okay. So answer of this is some things are made from one kind of matter and some things are made from more than one kind of matter, okay. Let us see second is what? Classify the following according to the nature of matter in them. Classify classify following classify following according to the according to the nature of matter nature of matter in them, okay. So following are some things, okay, we have to classify them, whether it is made from one kind of matter or from more than one kind of matter. So we have to classify these things on the basis of whether they are they are made from only one kind of matter, only one kind of matter, or from more than one kind of matter, one kind of matter, okay. We have to classify all these things, matter, or whether it is in solid, liquid or gaseous state, whether whether it is in solid liquid liquid or gaseous state, okay. So we have to classify what are those things. First one is an engraved idol, an engraved idol, then gold milk water, gold milk water, gold milk water, a plank concrete, a plank concrete, a plank concrete, salt soil coal, salt soil coal, smoke sherbet, smoke sherbet, cooked khichdi, steam, etc. So let us see. First of all, we classify them as solid, liquid and gaseous state, okay. We classify all these things into solid, liquid and gaseous state. Then after that we will classify these things according to whether they are made from only one kind of matter or made from more than one kind of matter, okay. So let us see here, let us see. So सॉलिड म्हणजे काय, स्थायू, लिक्विड म्हणजे द्रव अवस्थेमध्ये आणि गॅसियस म्हणजे काय, वायू अवस्थेमध्ये. यापैकी कोणकोणत्या वस्तू असतील ते आपण पाहूया, ठीक आहे. लेट अस सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन सॉलिड स्टेट Out of these things, which things are in solid state? Let us see. एनग्रेव्ड आयडल म्हणजे काय? कोरलेली मूर्ती. ठीक आहे. ती कशी असणार आहे? ती आपण दगडापासून मूर्ती जी कोरतो, ठीक आहे, त्याला आपण एनग्रेव्ड सॉलिड म्हणतो. आयडॉल हे एनग्रेव्ड आयडॉल म्हणजे कोरीव मूर्ती. ठीक आहे, ही काय असणार आहे? सॉलिड. त्यानंतर गोल्ड, सोनं, हे काय असणार आहे? सॉलिड. त्यानंतर मिल्क, हे लिक्विड मध्ये येईल. वॉटर, ए प्लांक म्हणजे एक शिडी. ठीक आहे, प्लांक किंवा एक फळी. ठीक आहे, इन्क्लाइंड. त्यानंतर कॉन्क्रीट. कॉन्क्रीट हे पण सॉलिड असेल. ठीक आहे, कॉन्क्रीट. कॉन्क्रीट. देन साल्ट. साल्ट, सॉइल, कोल, हे स्मोक, गॅसियस स्टेट मधील. शरबत, लिक्विड. कुकड खिचडी, that is somewhat liquid and solid also. So khichdi is solid. Okay, solid खिचड़ी solid में आ जाएगा. कुकड़ खिचड़ी. Okay, so these are the solid things. Okay, liquid. In liquid state we know that water, milk. Okay, sharbat, water, milk, sharbat. So all these are in liquid state. Okay, these things. And in gaseous state, we know that smoke, steam. Okay, smoke, steam. So these are in gaseous state. Okay, these things are in gaseous state. So likewise they are solid, liquid and gaseous state. In gaseous state, then we have to classify them according to whether they are made from single substance or more than one matter. Okay, matter. So let us see. Engraved idol, which is made from a stone, same stone. Okay, so it is made from same one kind of matter. Then plank, which is wooden plank. Okay, made from same matter. Concrete is made from more than one kind of matter, because in concrete there is a different substances, the mixture of different substances. Okay, so concrete is made from more than one kind of matter. In salt, only one kind of matter. Okay, in soil, soil is a mixture of different constituents. Okay, so more than one kind of matter. Coal, one kind of matter. Cooked khichdi, there are different substances in khichdi. Okay, that's why cooked khichdi is made from more than one kind of matter. Water, one kind of matter. Milk, one kind of matter. Sherbet, uh, made from more than one kind of matter. Smoke, more than one kind of matter. And steam, one kind of matter. Okay, so all these are the different things. Write down these things. So friends, hope you understand all these things in very well manner. So now we stop here. Okay, thank you. Keep studying.